Staring out the window.
I am a sucker for purple. Look how cute this is.
Waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back.
Hey guys, Cassia. Miso, I'm trying to film. She wants to play. Look at this girl. Miso, I'm trying to film a video. Hi. It has been actually so long since I've done a crochet video, and I apologize to you all for that. It was never my intention. Oh, okay, I'm boring her. I just left Miso alone to go yarn shopping, which I will show you everything I bought. But now she's all restless and I need to take her for a walk. Like I said, I didn't mean to take a break from crochet content. I just haven't really been crocheting all that much lately, and I don't know, even when I have been crocheting, I haven't been wanting to film myself. I don't know. Basically, I took a little break from crochet content, but I'm here again. My friend has actually asked me to crochet her a bolero. I don't know how you say it. They are so in style right now, but she wants me to crochet her one, and so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I don't really have a pattern that I'm looking at. I'm just gonna be looking at like YouTube videos and just seeing what is out there, and I will figure it out. We will figure it out together. Before we do that, I'm gonna catch up with you guys on all things craft and crochet. But if you guys don't care about this and want to get started on the project, I will leave the timestamps. But for now, I want to chat to you all about what I bought from the yarn store. What I got from the yarn store just then, I found these like bags of like value yarn. Like this bag has maybe like 400 grams of yarn, 4 skeins of yarn, and it was $6. It says it's 100% mixed fiber yarn. I also got myself this pack of yarn because I am a sucker for purple. I don't exactly know what I'm gonna make with this. Maybe I'll make my own bolero, but in purple. The thing I'm most excited about that I did not expect to go in and get at all is this. It's a sewing basket, but I just thought it'd be perfect to put all of my little crochet supplies in it, and I want to do that with you guys right now because my crochet supplies, I don't really have a proper place where I put everything. Got this here, which I kind of put just a lot of random stuff, or I just like have random like hooks lying everywhere. But it's gonna be so perfect to have just like everything in just one place. Look how cute this is. I'm just obsessed. It's got like this plastic organizer bit. I'm obsessed with this. This was also like 40% off, so it came to be about $20. I'm so excited about this. So I wanted to organize it with you guys because I love organizing things. So let's do that. So I've got kind of all of my crochet supplies. There's some stuff in here as well. Space here is perfect for all of my crochet hooks, so I put them in there. I've also got this measuring tape that's just so messy, so I'm gonna wind that up. Miso is just chilling. Stitch markers. Actually, I'm gonna put this here. That there. There's actually a pin cushion here, which I think is so cool, but all of my pins are in a little case anyway, so I think I'm just gonna put them in there. So cute already. Alright, I've finished putting everything in my little sewing box. I'm so excited. In the plastic organizer, up here we've got stitch markers. I've got my little fruit stitch markers as well. These are from AK Crochet. I love her. We've got my tape measure there. We've also got this bare tape measure. And then in this bit are most of my crochet hooks. I have more, but I don't know where they are. There's also a pencil, a pen just in case, an unpicker, mini scissors, but these are the two main crochet hooks I use, both from AK Crochet. I love both of these so much. Under here is pretty much just a lot of buttons. Actually, here I have a little travel thing, so I've got some stitch markers, some travel scissors, unpicker, little measuring tape, darning needle, all this kind of stuff in here. So when I'm on the go and I want to crochet, I've got this. And then these are literally all buttons. I don't know why I have so many buttons, but I've just accumulated them. Yeah, now that's all organized in here, and I'm absolutely addicted to this. This is the cutest thing in the world. Okay, so now that all of my stuff is organized into my little sewing box, I'm actually so obsessed with this. I'm gonna take Miso for a walk first, because she's very restless, and then we will start on the bolero. I've made a tiny start to the top, but I found the perfect tutorial to follow on YouTube. I have it linked in the description. It's from Liz Norris. So I'm just following that. Done. Literally just working on the foundation chain right now. I realize it's kind of difficult because I'm making this for my friend. We're somewhat similar sizes. Yeah, basically I've just chained 60. Well, basically chaining 5 and then skipping to the 3rd stitch and then going from there. I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm skipping to the 3rd stitch and doing a single crochet, and that kind of creates the kind of gaps or the holy kind of pattern. Just getting started, so I'm gonna keep going here.
All the flowers in my garden never looked as bright as this. Like a happy child, I watched them grow out of only seeds. Butterflies down my stomach when I think of you and me. It is funny how a lot can change when you learn how to breathe. Look at my eyes, what do you see?
Okay, still here on the couch, but this is my update. We've done about 9 rows. The girl in the video has done 5 rows, but I feel like for the pictures that my friend sent, it just wasn't as short as the girls in the video. So I did 9 rows, and I think that's pretty good because now we go on to do like the shoulder bit. So it'll sit here. I don't know. It's so hard to try this on because this is just like one little bit. But yeah, this was really quick to work up, I guess, because there's so many gaps. I think I've been sitting here for like half an hour now, 40 minutes maybe. So there we go. Now we figure out the next step on how to do kind of like the shoulder bits. That's the update. And Nisa is still sleeping.
Look at my eyes, what do you see? Feels like we're only meant to be. All of my life, where have you been? 'Cause you're the only thing I need.
Okay, I've been so bad at showing you my progress. I'm just like, I've only been crocheting when I'm just like so done and just out of it, and it's no excuse, but I've pretty much almost finished the whole thing, and I don't even remember the last time I showed you. I am so sorry, but here it is. I'm just working on the last sleeve now. I started this last night, so we've only just started, but this is the other side, the completed sleeve. I'm gonna make another one, probably not another bolero, but another like top in the same style, like the same fishnet top, like literally the same thing, but like longer, like an actual top, not just a bolero. I've just been so bad at filming lately, so I'm really sorry about that. This hasn't taken me that long to whip up. I think I started this exactly a week ago today, and I'll probably finish it today. I've not really been crocheting all that much, and I've just been working on this like here and there throughout the week, so it's not taking me that long. It's actually a really quick and easy project to work up, very beginner friendly, and I really like how it's looking. So that is my update. I just need to finish the arm, which I probably will do today. Yes, I apologize for sucking and not showing you anything. That's the update. I feel like having a hot chocolate, so I will see you later.
There's pain in the struggle, and there's beauty in the pain. So if love is a struggle, I guess there's beauty in everything. There's peace in a heartbreak, and there's fire in the rain. So if everything means nothing these days, baby, then let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain.
This is my view right now.
Just let it rain on me.
Miso destroying the pot. Miso! Look at this view. How calm that water is.
I keep waking up from the same dream. Never thought anxiety would change me, but everything that goes.
Okay, so it's been a while since I've done an update on this project, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what it is. I kind of went through a little bit of burnout with crochet, but also with this particular project, I feel like because I just finished making like my friend's bolero and then I started on this one, so I was kind of getting sick of doing like the same like stitch over and over again, I guess, and so I left this project for a little while, but we are back and we have updates. So here we go. We have the finished front panel all here. I decided to make the length a little bit longer, kind of like right below my belly button, so not cropped but not super long either. We have made a start on the back panel too, so here we go. It's pretty much the exact same kind of thing, except for the little like shoulder parts don't go up quite as high. This kind of stitch I feel like takes a lot for me to do because you have to kind of count obviously the 5 chains and then skipping every 3 chains or whatever it is every time, and so it's not like just one of those projects you can just sit and like kind of mindlessly do, if that makes sense. You kind of have to be thinking. We are back on track. I really am determined now to get this done so that we can just be done with this project and I can have a cute little, I don't even know what this is called now. It's not a bolero, it's just like a fishnet top jumper sweater kind of thing. But after this we can attach the 2 front and back together and then start on the sleeves. So yeah, that's a little update. I am really determined to get this done very soon. So we are pretty much on the final step of the shirt now. It's looking more like a shirt, which is exciting. Since I last saw you, I finished the back panels, pretty much the exact same method, except for the sleeve, like the shoulder parts, you do like less rows. I think for the front panel, for the shoulder parts, I did about 7-8 rows. And then for the back panel you do 3 rows, just because you don't need like the neckline to be quite as low. So anyway, I have also gone ahead and attached them both. I kind of just like did it all in kind of one sitting and I just like didn't stop. I've also gone ahead and sewn the sides together as well. I just kind of did that with just like a single crochet, and also I've left a little space for the armhole as well. So now what we're working on is the actual sleeves. Sorry if that's really confusing, but like I say in a lot of my crochet videos, this isn't a tutorial, this is just like a crochet with me. I just kind of tell you what I'm doing. I will be linking other tutorials that I've watched or just that ones that I think are better for you in the description if you actually want to make this project. These videos are more just like a crochet with me, see what I'm making, and see all the mistakes that I make along the way. So yeah, there we go. So now we are doing the sleeve part. I'm really happy with this. I'm so excited to show you what it looks like on. But yeah, that is my update.
Welcome to another day in the life.
We are done! We are officially done with the mesh bolero top thing. I'm so happy with how this one turned out. It is so cute and such just like a fun piece to wear to spice up an outfit. I've been loving just wearing it with like a white singlet underneath and just whatever bottoms. It's so cute and so like breathable but still warm, and I love this color. I feel like it's just perfect like spring vibes, don't you think? Oh, I'm just so happy with it. I know this video has been kind of all over the place. It's been a while since I've done a crochet with me, and also this kind of took me a long time to finish. I kind of stopped doing this project for quite a while there, so I don't even know what I filmed. Like, I really hope this has all come together and you enjoyed the video, but honestly I've forgotten everything I filmed. Also, I know this tutorial started with me making a bolero. That bolero, as I mentioned earlier, was for a friend. It now lives with her. It's hers, so I don't have it here to show you today, but I did get a little clip of her wearing it and styling it, and she looks absolutely amazing. I also styled it myself on TikTok before giving it to her. So yeah, I think the bolero is so stunning. I actually kind of want to make one for myself now, so I might be making another one of these. I don't know, but I really love the top that I made, and I hope you enjoyed seeing kind of 2 different styles with this kind of mesh fishnet crochet method, and you can see how you can easily adapt like the bolero pattern to just become like a sweater as well if you're not really into the bolero vibe but you still want something really cool and trendy and like fishnet, and I just think this is really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this all over the place crochet with me. I'm excited to keep doing these. I've really found my groove again with crochet, I think, and I'm just really excited to crochet a lot. I feel like for the past couple of months, like especially during winter, I just did not want to crochet at all. But now that it's getting into spring, summertime, I keep thinking of so many cute little like crochet pieces to make, and I'm just really excited. Let me know in the comments down below if there's anything in particular you think I should make, what you'd want to see me make, because I'm up for the challenge. And please subscribe to my channel for more crochet and lifestyle content. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.